Alright guys, welcome back to a new video and today we are beating Minecraft with Joulupukin kuuma linja and Jamppa.
Let's go!
Yo!
Yes. Yeah.
How are you guys today?
I am really good.
That's good
Good.
to hear. But let's get some wood now.
Let's go to the jungle.
Yes, I'ma take this tree right here.
I'ma take this normal tree here.
What do you mean by normal?
Those other trees are jungle trees.
Yeah, okay. Jambo is
Crafting
getting...
table.
Jambo is getting...
Don't hit me,
I'm
please.
getting
It was
wood.
accident. Why is there a
Yo.
random wood block here?
I accidentally placed it.
It lags so much, bro.
Yeah, that's true.
My game doesn't lag.
Okay. Oh, gold.
I don't know.
Oh, we are in Mesa biome. Yeah, that
Meissä
clears
vai?
things up.
Should we start gathering better tools?
Of course, of course.
Oh, I thought
Where
this
are
was
you?
emeralds.
No!
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, here's
Oh.
iron. Here's iron. I think we need wood.
Can you grab
you-
the door?
Can you craft a door? Can someone craft a... No, don't try.
Oh,
How many hearts
don't
are you
die.
on?
I almost died.
Yeah, we saw that. We have a...
Iron.
No!
Yeah.
the door-
Iron
I forgot.
left.
Doors doesn't work in Bedrock Edition, I forgot. Oh, and by the way, if you guys are wondering why we are playing on Bedrock Edition, it's because Pukki doesn't have Java Edition.
Yes. Oh, here's some
I'm
rainbow
gonna go
fish.
mine the iron.
Okay.
Oh, I just... Yeah. GG. Oh my days.
You... How did you already die?
The water didn't like... Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Well, can we go and
Go.
see?
Go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Here's a good cave.
I found a huge... I found iron, but I don't have anything to mine it.
Where is it? I can mine it for you.
It's at the spawn.
Where is Hujo Juho?
I'm in a cave.
I'm in a pretty sticky situation.
Oh! Here's deep dark. Here's deep dark.
Yeah,
Really
Yes.
deep and dark.
Yes, yes.
you know what else is deep.
Oh my.
I'm in a very sticky situation.
Yeah, right.
You know what else is
Okay.
sticky?
Okay, okay.
I found a lava pool. There's a
It's
mushroom island.
Really?
really.
You can see it from the spawn.
What
Wow.
if the
This is
end hole is there?
what?
What the f is it?
The place where is like the portal to the end.
I am at the lava pool
Oh.
if you wanna come do that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I can come.
Yes, I'm at.
Can you do it? If you want to do it,
Oh!
you can do it.
I don't have anything but a pickaxe!
Don't take my
I'm
tool.
gonna take your loot.
No!
No, I take it.
Come on.
Like, I give it to you.
Give me back it. Do you have my? Oh!
What? I know.
Do you have my?
The
do you
loot
have
is
my
at the
items?
creeper. There's that creeper.
Oh. What if it what if it explodes on my stuff?
That's
Not my
true.
problem, to be honest.
Can you like shut the f up?
We
Yes,
are
I can
teammates,
see.
Jambo.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm three. There's a creeper. Oh,
Ah!
Name of the game.
you
Don't
did the
take my
same.
stuff.
You did.
Yo, can you come out of the cave? I have surprise
This
for you.
is like
Yeah, I'm coming.
release.
Why is the jungle burning? Was that the surprise?
Yes.
Oh, there is a desert temple.
Okay.
If you want the best items, you should press the pressure plate on the ground.
Oh, thanks. I'm gonna try that. The mushroom island is like next to the spawn and the desert temple is floating on water.
What?
Yeah, it's floating.
So where's the lava pool you guys were talking about?
I can show you.
Okay.
Look,
take over.
there's a lava pool.
Alright. I'm gonna make a portal. And then we wait for a jump and then we go find a
Okay.
fortress.
Yeah. Oh, I got gold. We can trade now. Do you want the bones, Cookie?
What?
Do you want the
I can
bones?
take the bones. If I
There
found
are
a
very
jungle
many.
Okay,
dog.
light it.
I don't have the lighter.
Well, do you have flint? Oh, not. Okay.
Yes,
Take iron.
I wanna light it up.
Yeah.
There was enchanting books, but I didn't
Is this
take
cool?
them.
Okay.
Do you think this is
I don't
cool?
think we need to.
Yeah.
Yo, the sun!
Do you-
Oh, it burned.
It's time to
What
light
is
it.
Okay. Yeah.
Come here.
Oh, this is a ritual.
Yeah, you can cut that my stutter off video. You can cut my stutter off
If
the
I
video.
remember.
Why am I lagging?
Watch
this
out, there's a
much?
creeper. No!
Hey!
No!
No!
Yeah, some of your stuff sadly burned. But here's copper, you can make something new. Over there.
Oh,
It's a long way, it's a long way.
do you have iron?
Yeah, I have a bunch. Here you go.
Well, I would like to make iron tools.
Book
Oh, there's another creeper.
Should we
Watch out.
build a house? Cookie,
Watch out for
over here?
creeper. Yes.
We need
Oh,
a
man.
house, we need a safe house.
I'm
I
here.
can start.
Do you guys know what I got from the
Well, you are feeling
temple?
English. What did you get?
I got 2 golden
Oh.
apples.
Nice.
Is this cool?
Do you have any
Yeah,
iron
it's
for me?
good. Well, yeah, I have 19.
I don't need the kupari.
Take it. So we can.
No,
Yeah.
throw it in the
it burned.
trash.
Hey,
I
do
got
you
the
have
beds.
Okay.
Yeah, I got the beds.
Yeah, let's set our spawns in the safe house.
I'm
Yeah, the blue one
I-
is mine.
Okay.
okay, the green, the lighter green. Okay.
Do you guys want to come and check the nether out quickly and then?
Oh, not now. Or the...
Why is
for
the
me, I
front
wanna...
of the house made from a different food than wood?
Because it's the design. It's the design of the house.
Oh, right. Let's go. Let's check
Oh,
that.
let's go.
Oh,
Okay, we are in
this is a good. This is a good.
in a
spawn.
we are in a dungeon.
Don't.
No, in a nether
No,
cave.
look. It's a basalt
Mm.
delta.
What?
Is it the magma gi- or is it the...
No, it's in a cave. It's in a nether cave. So we have to dig our way out. So this is pretty safe.
Great,
We
with
need
the
gold
piglins.
armor.
No,
Yeah,
I think we don't.
Yeah, we do.
So the piglins doesn't
If we
attack us.
are here just for a short time.
We will not be.
Well, it depends where the fortress is.
Yeah. I'm making a bridge over the lava so we can get the safe biome.
Stop sneaking so I can see you.
I'm over here.
Not there.
What if
Puck,
I punch
if you punch
right
him,
now?
you get 2 potatoes.
No, don't! If
Oh,
you punch
yeah!
me, don't!
It's in the
Yeah, here are angry
It's
pigs,
in the-
angry pigs.
in the poor angry birds.
Pigs, I mean.
Take these. Take
Hey.
this. There's a golden
I got
helmet.
boots.
Yeah.
I got golden boots.
Okay, are we moving now?
Yeah,
Yes.
we are moving now.
Don't die.
Please.
Well, I was burning.
Do I take your
burned.
stuff? I call.
Well, take them before they like.
I can take most of it. Yeah, I
Okay,
do.
take the most important stuff.
Do you guys mind if I go look for a fortress? Or you do want to go?
No.
I'm coming.
Yeah, technically you could trade for the ender pearls if you want, Jumbo.
Yeah, I can. Oh!
Yeah.
Why is it?
Oh,
No!
I was mining gold, and then some piglin just dropped from a hole
oh
onto
no!
my face.
Are you guys good?
The same piglins killed me too.
The pigling is here! Oh, there's two piglings wearing our stuff. Slurred or something.
Oh!
Yeah, we just need to get the loot from these piglings. Let's just
Yeah.
punch them with the fist so
Yes.
long that they die.
Do you have blocks?
No, we don't.
Yeah.
Give me blocks. Because I'll need them to rescue.
Can you give me my stuff too?
Yeah. Oh, oh!
Ow!
Yeah, I'm gonna put your stuff into a hole.
Okay. Let's
I'm
go
gonna mine
find
some
Hujoiho.
Okay, so here's a blue forest just in case you don't.
Where
get
are
to
you?
those. I'm here. Can't you like look from the XP bar?
Yes. Hujoiho, I'm coming there, so don't move.
Wait, where are
I
you?
got 8.
I'm making a bridge.
Oh, so that's why I can't. I'm coming towards you. Wait, there you are. Pukki,
Hi.
come.
This
What do
one.
you think? Should we go through the
No,
basalt delta? Oh no.
maybe.
Scared. So don't die. Run.
Help,
Okay.
help.
Eat.
I need to eat.
Eat. No.
That's like my third time I have died for a cast.
Yeah. I don't think
Borrow
it's worth it to go to the souls and find this.
I need a crafting table so much. There is one at the nether portal. I'm too lazy to go there.
Wait, Pukki, you are soon here.
Wait a minute. Where's my
Quickly, there's a ghast.
where's my pickaxe?
What pickaxe? Iron.
Where's my axe?
Oh, I have it.
Oh,
Don't die.
help. Help.
Run!
Ah! Hey!
Bro!
My
Bro.
stuff!
Come on!
Do you have my tools?
Some of them. Everything. Almost everything burned.
No!
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Should you just
I
go
don't
and
know.
trade with for the ender pearls with Yum?
Or maybe not. I'm getting new stuff in the. When you find a fortress, tell me because I wanna explore a fortress. I lost my jacket today.
Wait, it's a
Yeah,
fortress!
that's true.
I found a
He
fortress.
lost his jacket too.
Really?
Yeah, again.
Okay.
This is going worse than the first
No.
one.
Hey, Editor Huyo here. If you are wondering what Jampo was talking about, we actually shot this video twice because first time me and Jampa's recorder was frozen. I'm going to make a bonus skenes, how do you spell skenes, video in the future about this failed one, but now enjoy the rest of the video.
In this time we had already found fortress, I think.
I have found a fortress. Did you miss that?
There was
Yes.
I am at
Well.
the
way more
fortress.
action.
Well, I'm coming there.
There was
I'm not
way
going to
more
that.
action in the last.
I'm not
Yeah,
going
I'm
to
dead.
that.
I
No.
fell into the lava, no!
Have a look at-
Pukki, I just lost everything.
Well, there's some kupari in the oven if you want to eat that.
Eat that. Okay, Pukki, so the plan is we get stacked and then,
We go to
go.
the fortress.
yeah. Oh,
Down.
here's so much iron.
I don't get any pearls.
Well, Jamba, if you aren't getting any pearls, you could go to the blue forest.
I need to find one.
I know where one is.
Where?
It's I can't really explain. It will be best if I just showed it to you. But first I need to get up. What are you guys
You
doing?
suck. You suck!
Oh!
Stop! Oh,
Give me my sword back. It almost fell into the lava.
Okay.
Are you f***ing kidding me? Are you f***ing kidding me? Hey, Jumbo, let's have a peace with this panda. Look at him.
This panda is good.
It's really cute. Give me my shovel! You have my shovel, don't you?
Oh, I
You have my
don't.
shovel. Do you have my shovel?
I
have your
don't.
shovel.
I haven't killed you even once.
Who has my shovel?
Shall we start heading to the fortress now? What do you
Yes,
guys
if Jumbo does a deal with me.
think? Okay, what's the deal?
What's
He
the
doesn't
deal,
hit
bro?
me, and we be friends again.
Okay, that could be fair actually.
Yeah,
Can you clap?
Yeah, if you can do the same thing.
Do a handshake. Do a handshake.
go.
Do a handshake. Thanks. Now we're friends.
What is going on?
Somebody.
Oh, yes, a
hit me.
creeper!
I hit you.
What?
Yeah, it's a creeper! Oh my
Oh,
god! We are trapped.
No,
Oh,
I have if you guys have steel.
I have steel, I have steel. Okay.
Nice,
Oh,
nice.
Oh, we almost
That's so good.
got trapped.
Yeah. Okay, I'ma lead the way because I know where the fortress is, right?
No,
Okay.
don't go, please.
Yes,
We
I'm
need the-
waiting you. I'm just leading the way. Why isn't it dropping any flint?
I'm thinking the same thing.
Like this is taking forever.
Where's
Like
the?
what is this?
Man, doesn't
What is-
even drop in.
This is ridiculous.
This gravel is broken.
This is like what is this? Okay, there we go. Finally.
Now we got it.
Okay, guys, I'ma show you the way. Oh,
Basti.
watch out for this magma cube. Yeah, I'm
Magma
dead.
Oh,
cube.
sh-
I'm
no.
dead.
The
There's
nether
no way. I'm dead.
GG, bro.
Do you,
No,
do
I'm
you
not.
guys?
No, I'm not.
you-
We don't.
GG,
We don't have a gold
bros.
armor. We don't have gold armor.
No, yeah, I'm getting attacked by pigs.
I can't, bro. I have wooden spoon, bro. What can I do with this?
Wooden spoon.
Can you trade with the piglins?
No, mate. I don't have any gold.
Why Jumbo left? He quitted. Oh, he's back. The beat.
Restart from.
We will
Uh,
not
start.
restart from the beginning. if you are-
We will restart.
We need to beat the game so Huyoyo can get some content.
Well,
How are they so
well,
intelligent?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm getting raped.
I'm over here. I'm here. I have your gold boots. Take these, so you will survive the nether. I'm going to the nether. I'ma find the emote wheel.
It's when you hold B.
Oh, here.
No.
What? No! Okay, Pukki, we are going now.
Okay. Fifth time
Why
he
is he
left.
leaving? It's over here.
Can you call Jumbo?
No.
Why?
Well, okay, I'ma call him.
Okay. Oh, he's back.
Why did you leave?
Why did you quit the
I
game?
just went to take a shit, man.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
I'm going up the bridge.
I'm
it-
dying here!
Oh,
No, don't die, please.
Come back!
I'm coming.
Yes, two
What is
gas!
happening?
Yes, two, I'm dead! No!
What?
No! Dig a hole where I can go, dig a hole! Where are you? Where are you? Oh my god! Oh my god, goodness gracious!
I'm here.
I'm dead! No! Oh! Oh my god!
Here's
That
a,
was
here was a war zone.
There it is, there it is. So we are making a staircase up. Come to the safe room right now.
How did you
Yeah.
guys get?
Where is the safe room?
There's
Oh,
a
yeah.
giant.
Let's loot the fortress now.
We are not,
I
we are
want the
not looting
good
it, we are
stuff.
just getting the blaze rods and getting out.
No, I wanna loot it. I want
No,
the
you're...
good stuff. Oh
No!
Pukki can
I'm
come
probably
with
dead.
me, I think.
no!
I don't know if you even will survive over here.
I'm so parkour master, I think
Parkour
I will
ma-
survive.
Nice.
Where are you, Pukki?
Did we go to a blue or red forest?
Yes. I'm just get one more. Okay, I have to now make it back.
This is just like Huyoyo beats Minecraft while Jumbo and Pukki
Dies.
dies.
Nice. I'm
That
bringing your
rhymes.
stuff. Oh, yo, that was so good. Like,
Pukki, can you wait for me?
this is just basically
Yes. yes.
Huyoyo beating Minecraft while Jumbo and Pukki dies. Nice, that rhymes. That was beautiful.
Check this. Check this.
What?
What are you doing?
Nice.
If If Kujojo is just coming back, we can just wait here. Shall
Hey,
we-
Hujojo is here.
Oh, where's my stuff?
Okay. Oh my god, what is that?
Can I get my stuff? What?
Can I get my stuff?
Your stuff? I don't have your
Yeah,
stuff.
give
It's mine,
give me.
it's my
give
stuff.
me.
Go in the house, Pukki. Go into the house.
Oh,
Go into the
Oh,
house
okay.
right now. Okay, and then
okay, don't
we do like
punch
this.
me.
Now I
Okay.
can give your stuff.
Now we're
Pukki, why you-
private. And I can
He's sticking
destroy.
through the wall.
Yeah, let me be in my home.
Break the bed! Break the bed! Break the bed!
No, please, 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 please.
Let's
Oh
go.
my days.
Can you give me wood?
I don't have wood. Stop punching me. Don't drag me into this shit. Okay, are you guys ready?
Ow! Oh my
Oh,
god. Ujo,
bro. There is your stuff.
What?
it's not worth it anymore. Look.
I just broke your bed, by the way.
Oh,
Nice
no
one.
shot.
Let's head to the end now.
We don't even have any loot to kill the dragon.
We can get some stuff on the way there.
He's
It
going
went
to
like
regret
over
his
in
decisions.
his direction.
Direction.
Shut you.
Shut your paste, yeah.
Shut
Chicken
your-
bone, Google Chrome, Garden Gnome, Flip phone, no
Shut your-
home.
Oh.
Pukki
What
saw.
are you doing?
You know what? Somebody's coming here and he will start punching me.
I did nothing. I didn't deserve this.
I'm on Jambo's side with this one.
Oh shit!
Where did you die? This is so dumb. I'm just going to the stronghold. I just
Find
want to
it
be done with
somewhere.
this video. This is a chaos.
I agree with that one.
Me too.
So can you do something to make it less chaotic?
Let's like do a sopimus.
Finally.
We did a sopimus and 2 minutes later you twisted a sword in my ass.
When did we do? Can you be a man and do a sopu?
We have to act for this thing.
No, we don't have
This is
to
not
like.
this is not a drama TV show. I'm going to the
Please.
stronghold and I'm waiting you guys there.
Ai
Okay,
kuitar.
I'm in. I'm in. What?
Guitar on kyllä elite.
What? Where are you? Don't light it up yet.
I'm
We
not
have. I
lighting
want to
it.
be on the. I want to be on the video.
Is it here?
What?
Yeah, I found it. I found it.
Okay.
What?
I found
You
the
blocked
portal
me.
room.
Oh, now you're bigger on the locator bar.
Okay.
I'm actually going to die.
Yeah, I'm half a heart. because
Run.
You don't help me.
Come here.
I'm coming up there. As fast as I can.
The
Oh, I see
armor.
you. I see you. I see you. I see you.
Don't.
Oh, I
don't-
see you too.
No! Go underground!
Get the water and let's go to the stronghold.
Don't die! Be
Tournament
extremely
player.
careful, there are so
I
many
haven't-
mobs. And don't jump down until I say that there's water.
Zombie!
No! Oh no!
I
Why are
want
you being so careless? Go off! You can jump down now. I'm pretty sure.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, be careful. Be extreme. Okay,
Yes.
let's go.
Are there
Okay,
any,
okay, hey,
any
stop,
mob-
stop.
What?
There are creepers, don't go! Don't go there! There's silverfish, don't go! Don't go!
Why are you shouting?
I don't want that you die. There's a line of silverfish coming, watch out.
What?
Run! It's
Silverfish
here,
are
come
there.
here!
Where?
Down here!
don't have
Set
any-
your
oh, I'm
spawn
setting-
right now. Oh my
Bro.
god.
Do you have any swords or pickaxes? Oh, that-
Yeah, swear. Yeah, I can make you swords. Here
Oh,
you
thanks.
go.
Thanks.
I think we are ready
Yo,
to
yo.
head to the end now. Well, guys,
let's-
do you need like armor? I have some armor.
I could take some armor.
Be careful
Okay,
so you
let's go.
don't fall into the void right away. Don't punch. Don't
Oh.
punch. Don't punch.
Don't.
So like,
Okay, let's.
you guys probably don't have any blocks, right?
No,
I have
I
some. I
don't
can
have
give you
any.
some. I can give you.
Okay. Let's punch the dragon.
What? You guys are actually doing massive damage. How are you doing that much? So I think I should get the crystals and you guys can just distract him and punch him.
I'm gonna like take a one crystal now.
What is-
Oi! I survived the punch. Oh, the dragon is flying right there. Yeah, I did it. I'm up here.
Really?
The dragon is dancing on the portal again.
I got an ender pearl.
Oh, try to throw it at the tower and punch a star with.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
Well, it's like a suicide bomb.
Okay, so I'm...
The dragon is flying at me.
Am I gonna punch this?
Do
punch it. I'll
do
get
it.
this on the video.
Punch
No! I think
it.
some of your stuff. Yeah, there.
Oh!
Oh no! Whoa! Wait!
I was trying to get
The
pearls.
dragon deleted my water. What is this?
What?
So I can't
Wait.
climb the towers now. Because we are doing massive
Okay.
damage, so... Oh no! What? Please don't take my stuff, don't take my stuff, don't take my stuff. I think we should get pearls and then try your strat of ender pearl. Why is there so much the purple stuff?
Bro.
Come on.
What?
Land. Yeah, I made it
Oh,
up. Let's go.
some endermen died here, so here's some pearl. Oh, fuck!
Oh no.
Oh,
I'm in a very bad situation. Hey, punch
That's
him.
not
Oh,
nice.
I'm up here. Wait! You guys are actually killing him. Okay, I got this crystal.
Oh!
How am I gonna
Oh!
get
Oh,
that though?
Oh,
Wait!
Oh!
We are
You guys
going
are
to kill
actually-
him.
What? Oh my god! No!
No, it.
Okay, I'm a jump. I need to get down before it dies.
No, it's
Oh.
Percy.
Okay, let's
We
let's
are
go!
going to kill him.
Oh no! No!
Let's go!
Yes!
Yes!
Let's go! Come on! I'm getting chased by an Enderman, so this is not
Yes.
ideal.
So much XP.
Oh no! Oh! Okay,
What?
thank you guys so much for watching this collab. Subscribe to Joulupukin Kuuma Linja and
Yes.
what?
And me.
And Jambots. Yeah, that's the name. Just what the fuck? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this collab. Subscribe to Joulupukin Kuuma Linja and Jambots. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, do you guys have anything
point.
else to say?
Subscribe and like content.
Okay, that's... yeah. Thank you for watching, bye. Do you guys want to do a secret ending?
Yes, if I would broke my bed, I would gone to the spawn because my bed broke.
What?